Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This presentation is requirement for the second quiz in the Computer, Organisasi and Architecture course, so basically covering the 16 meeting assessment. My name is Muhammad Hikarian and NPM 2531234 from the Faculty of Engineering and Computer Science. Today I will present one of the core topics in computer architecture: external device. What are external device? They are also widely known as peripheral device. In simple terms, these are all the hardware components that are outside the main computer box or the main system unit. Device, they are not the central processing unit or the main memory. Their primary function is to enable the computer to communicate with the outside world. This includes taking data in input, showing result out output, and providing storage. The important point is internal device do not connect directly to the CPU. They connect to the computer through a dedicated discrete circuit board, cassette, and module classification. External devices are classified into three main categories based on their purpose and interaction. Human readable device. These are devices for communication directly with the user. Example include the cable for input, the monitor for output, and the printer. Machine readable devices. These are used to communicate with equipment, usually sensor and reservoir monitoring and control system. For example, a magnetic disk drive or a sensor in an industrial computer. Communication device. These are for communication with remote device, such as modern or network device, card, and IC. Let's look at some key example in action. Keyboard and mouse translate our physical action into digital input. The monitor and speaker display and output the process result, structure, and buffering. Every external device is a transducer, which convert data from and control logic to manage device specific operation, like controlling the position of the print head. The critical link is the I1 model interface. This model manages the communication signal between the fast CPU and the slower. Peripheral this link use three types of signal: control signal, command status signal, feedback like ready or push, and data signal. The actually information. The biggest challenge in connection peripheral in the speed is the speed mismatch. The CPU works extremely fast, but peripheral are much slower. If the CPU had to wait for a slow device, the system will become inefficient. The general solution is buffering. External device is small, then very high speed memory area called a data buffer. Then immediately the CPU is down. Meanwhile, the peripheral can slowly retrieve the data from the buffer its own speed, allowing the CPU to move on other important tasks. Buffering is key to high system efficiency. Consolation. In consolation external device indisable for any computer system. They fulfill the critical roles of input, output, and storage. Their seamless operation is largely managed by the one-to model, which handles the necessary control, status monitoring, and most importantly, data buffering to overcome the high speed difference between the electronic core and the electromechanical peripherals. Thank you very much for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.